how to add the fitness training load widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, go to a blank spot and then touch and hold. Next, tap on the Edit button. Then from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Next, in here, we scroll down and then scroll all the way down. Then tap on Fitness. Now swipe across until you see it's a training load. Go down and then tap on the Add Widget button. And that's it. Now it will be added to your home screen. After that, tap on Done. Now you can tap on the widget to open up. And in here, you can see it shows Daily Move Gold. And you can also change goal. You can set it lightly, moderately, or highly. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.